When hacking on Launchpad's Soyuz application and creating tests to verify that your new functionality works, you'll often need sources or binaries published in very specific scenarios. The following demo shows you how you can set up those scenarios using the SoyuzTestPublisher, which, just like the name suggests, was created for this exact reason, actually by Celso. We're going to watch our publications visually using Launchpad's PPA page, which normally updates the build statuses dynamically every minute via JavaScript. So we'll specify an interval of 5 seconds instead, as shown by the patch you can see here. So let's just apply that patch. What did I call it? Update 5-second if. There it is. Now we'll run our development server in one terminal, and in the other one we're going to use a harness just to demo how this all works. So the first thing that we'll do once the harness comes up is from our sample data we'll grab a user who has a PPA, which happens to be Celso. So here we go. Oops. Name. Alright, so we've got cprov now. Then we need to do a few imports to be able to access the Soyuz test publisher and create the instance, which I'll just paste in here to make it a bit quicker. Once we've done that, we set up with the publisher instance that we've got, we tell it to prepare the distro series, the default distro series that we're going to be working with, which in our test environment is Breezy Auto Test. Never realized how hard it is to talk and type at the same time. Okay, with that done, we can now create a test source publication. The key thing is we want to make sure that it's created in the published state. As well as that, once we've got our source, we'll create some build, create its missing builds, and then commit the transaction so that we can see the result. So we'll open our browser window up to Celso's PPA, and there, once Firefox gets over its issues, you can see here it is, there's test source, and it's got a build that's waiting to be built. Now you'll see down here in Firebug it's going to update every 5 seconds now, which is exactly what we want. So coming back, the first thing that we'll do is change the build status of our build so that the system thinks that it's actually building. Again, it won't then update until we commit that transaction. So keeping an eye on the icon below down here, you'll see it'll update as soon as there we go, bang, it's updated. Again, once it kind of goes through its building currently, and then we'll tell it it's fully built, and within 5 seconds there it goes. So now it's fully built, but it hasn't, it's got binaries that haven't been published, as you can see here. All builds were built successfully but have not yet been published. So the last step is we'll use the Soyuz test publisher to publish the binaries for that build. So first we create a binary package release using the publisher, and once we've done that, we'll publish the binary in Celso's PPA. As you can see there are simpler ways, well, there are methods on the test publisher which will do that whole process in one step, but then we wouldn't have been able to see the changes. So if we commit that transaction, within 5 seconds we should see here 2, 3, 4, 5, there it goes, and now it's successfully built. Thank you.